In this tutorial, I'll show you how to publish your website on Weebly. Let's get started. Open your browser and go to weebly.com. Then sign in to your Weebly account. Click Website, select Edit Site and choose the website you want to publish. Then click Edit to open the Weebly editor. Before publishing, make sure you've finished updating your pages, images and other content. Once everything is ready, look at the top right corner of the editor and click Publish. If you already have a custom domain, choose the option to connect or transfer your domain and follow the prompts to complete the setup. If you don't have a domain yet, enter the domain name you'd like to use and search for its availability. Select an available domain, then follow the on-screen instructions to register it if needed. After confirming your domain settings, complete any required steps, such as purchasing a domain or selecting a Weebly plan if prompted. Once the process is complete, your website will be published and available online. You can visit your website using its published URL to make sure everything looks correct. If you make changes in the future, simply click Publish again to update the live version of your site. That's how to publish your website on Weebly. Thanks for watching.